Thank you for joining us today. My name is Faye, and together with my co-hosts Caitlin and AJ, we would like to present a brief overview of what Zendesk is, the benefits of using Zendesk, and we'll take a look inside Zendesk from the customer perspective. What is Zendesk? Here at Collaborative Solutions, we are dedicated in providing the most efficient support network that allows us to track, prioritize, and resolve your requests quickly and efficiently. Collaborative Solutions has partnered with Zendesk to best support you as a customer. Zendesk allows our support teams to streamline customer communications in a single ticket, all within an organized workflow. Additionally, data from Zendesk is continuously monitored and used to inform, improve, and ensure our customers receive the highest quality of support and satisfaction. What can Zendesk do for you? The Zendesk platform provides a centralized location for all of your customer support interaction requests, so communication is seamless, personal, and efficient. Zendesk provides the user with a holistic view of each support request by tracking issues from beginning to end. By utilizing Zendesk, we can capture all communication and supporting documentation between your organization and our consultants to provide high visibility into each request for both you and Collaborative Solutions. This will provide you with a library of all current and past requests that can easily be accessed at the click of a button. How is Zendesk used? When your Lean On SOW with Collaborative Solutions becomes active, you will provide your engagement manager with a list of users that will have access to log and view ticket requests using the portal. Tickets can be created within the Zendesk portal or by email. However, the preferred method of ticket creation is through the Zendesk portal, as this helps to capture all pertinent information. The life cycle of a support request begins when the request is initiated. You will receive personalized communication throughout the life cycle of the request to work towards a quick and efficient resolution. Once the request is submitted, the Collaborative Solutions team will acknowledge receipt of your request and begin the assessment and evaluation process. Your request will be entrusted to one of our many certified experts who will work together with you to determine the appropriate action needed for resolution. As you communicate with your dedicated resource, the ticket status is continuously updated, so you will always know what the next step is. Once the issue is solved, Zendesk provides you with the ability to follow up on any prior support requests. No need to start over again, as all the prior information and supporting documentation is already captured in the follow-up request. Now I will turn it over to Caitlin, who is going to take a deeper dive into the Zendesk process.
Thank you, Faye. Now let's take a look to see how simple it is to log a ticket in Zendesk. Once you have accessed the Zendesk portal, you'll want to choose the option to submit a request at the top right hand of your screen. First, you have the ability to copy other end users from your organization to provide visibility to the request and the ability to respond to the requester. Next, in the subject line, you'll want to enter your organization followed by a high-level description of the issue. For this example, we'll be using ABC Company that's looking to create a new cost center. After that, in the body of the ticket, you'll have the opportunity to provide more detail that will help our consultants move towards a quicker resolution for you. An example of additional details to include would be screenshots of errors or steps you've already taken to troubleshoot. We understand that you have some business requests that have a sense of urgency. The priority field will alert our team to evaluate the request based on the service level agreement and respond accordingly. Now let's take a look at each of the priority items and an example for each. Low. Low would be used if you're doing some general troubleshooting or you're looking for advisory support. Normal. Normal would be used if there's a potential configuration issue preventing you from completing an important business process. High would be used, and an example would be a failed integration, but a workaround still exists. And last is urgent. Urgent would be used in a scenario where your payroll is not processing and there's no workaround identified. Please note, when using urgent, a workday case must be logged and noted on the ticket. For this example, we'll use a priority level of normal. After that, you'll be prompted to select the nature of the request to let us know if the support request is for existing configuration in your tenant or for new functionality. In this example, we'll select new configuration since we're creating a new cost center. If a Workday case associated with the support request has been created with Workday, please provide a case number in the provided field. This will allow our consultants to reference the case directly with Workday if needed. Finally, you have the option to attach any supporting screenshots or documentation necessary for resolution. All attachments in the ticket are easily accessed in the portal should you need to reference them at any time. At this point, we'll move forward and submit this request. Now that the request has been submitted, let's take a look at our existing support request, and you do this by going to the top of your screen, clicking on your profile, and then selecting My Activities. You'll notice that Zendesk organizes the tickets on 3 separate tabs for easy access. First, you'll see My Requests, any tickets that you've opened. Also, the next tab shows you any tickets that you've been copied on, as well as organizational requests. This is dependent on your security access. On the right-hand side, you'll notice the ticket status. This allows you a quick look at the overall status of the issue. Open. Open's awaiting action by a collaborative consultant. Awaiting your reply means that we're awaiting action by you, the customer. Solved means the ticket has been marked as resolved. Now let's take a look at an existing ticket. Once you've opened a request, you'll be able to view the workflow of the request and the communication of all users. On the right-hand side, we'll show you a summary with some key data elements. You'll see who the requester was, currently who the ticket's assigned to, the ID number that's associated with this request, and also the status of the ticket. Communication is easy and simple. If you simply want to add to the conversation, you just go to the bottom of the screen, click Add to Conversation, and hit Submit. Upon resolution, Collaborative will not mark your ticket as solved without your permission or without advising in advance. Once the request has been solved, you'll have the ability to respond to the ticket within 4 business days with any last-minute questions or concerns, which will automatically reopen the request. If there has been no update on a solved ticket within 4 days, the ticket will automatically move to a closed status, and the option to add to conversation is no longer available. However, you'll always have the option to create a follow-up request if needed. If you need to revisit a closed ticket, there'll be the option at the bottom of your closed ticket to create a follow-up. Using this option, we'll create a new ticket that references the original ticket and all pertinent information. Thank you for taking the time to walk through this demonstration, and at this time, I'll turn it over to AJ.
Thanks, Faye. Thanks, Caitlin. One of our primary missions at Collaborative Solutions is to maintain the utmost level of customer satisfaction. Our Zendesk Enterprise subscription allows us to ensure the customer is the #1 priority. Through multi-channel communication, Collaborative Solutions can seamlessly continue the conversation with the customer. The powerful features and functions of the simple Zendesk system make tracking, prioritizing, and solving customer tickets effortless. The Zendesk platform is flexible and designed to scale as our customer relations grow. Zendesk allows collaborative solutions to put the customer first. In addition to this video, you'll be provided with a quick guide documentation resource to help support your Zendesk experience at Collaborative Solutions. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your engagement manager for assistance. Thank you for partnering with Collaborative Solutions.